Hello, and welcome to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 3. There is no need to memorize anything. Let the words come to you slowly and calmly. You're doing very well. Let us begin. Here are the English words for today. Just listen. Do not repeat. Happy, sad, feel, want, need, have, home, work. Now, listen to the English words and repeat them after me. Happy, happy, sad, sad, feel, feel, want, want, need, need, have, home, home, work, work. Good, nice and slow. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I feel happy. I feel sad. I want this. I need this. I have this. I go home. Go to work. I am happy. Good. Now, listen to a short story using the words. I am at home. I feel good. I want you here. We need to talk. I have this. I go to work. I feel sad. But I come home. Now I am happy. Very good. Okay, let us hear the English words one more time. Happy, sad, feel, want, need, have, home, work. Very good. Okay, that is all for today. You did very well. Relax now and I will see you in Foundation 4. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share and subscribe.